Wait, so you know those creepy worms you sometimes see in puddles? Turns out they're not just creepy, they're basically running the food chain. Here's what's actually happening. Scientists studied a river ecosystem in Japan and found something completely insane. Up to 60% of the annual calories that certain fish were eating came from insects that had drowned themselves. Not accidentally drowned, deliberately walked into the water and died. And every single one of them was infected with a horsehair worm. These parasites spend months growing inside crickets and grasshoppers, just absorbing nutrients through their skin. No mouth, no digestive system, they're just living inside, getting bigger. But here's where it gets wild. When the worm is ready to reproduce, it literally rewrites how its host's brain interprets light. The cricket suddenly becomes obsessed with the horizontal polarized light that reflects off water surfaces. It can't help itself. It must get to that water. So it jumps in and drowns, which is exactly what the worm needs to complete its life cycle. But it gets darker. The researchers realized these manipulated suicides weren't just common, they were foundational. Remove the worms from the ecosystem, and the fish start eating way more of the other aquatic insects, and the whole food web starts collapsing. So basically, these mind control parasites aren't some rare horror story. They're ecosystem engineers. Entire communities of fish depend on a steady supply of zombie crickets throwing themselves into rivers. Oh, and one more thing. If a bird or frog eats an infected cricket, the worm can literally wiggle back out of the predator and keep going. The host dies. The predator gets a surprise. The parasite just continues. Nature's most elegant mind control operation, and it's happening in every stream, pond, and yes, sometimes your pool. Mass zombification as infrastructure. That's the part they don't tell you in biology class.